Hi guys, it's me Karen, and today we are reacting to Jeffy Has Hiccups. So let's get started here.
Hiccups. Hiccups? Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Ew.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups?
Hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them.
I love hiccuping.
Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore.
That's cool.
Just keep holding your breath. Okay, you breathe. Jeffy, breathe. You can breathe, Jeffy.
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
That can't happen. Jeffy, come on. CPR.
Ooh. Ew.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy. Thanks, Daddy.
Ew.
Your hiccups are fine, Jeffy. Okay, no, we're calling doctor. He's gonna help get rid of those because I can't say they're annoying.
No.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
Oh.
Call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
He's bald. Oh.
Sarah, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You were a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, it didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now
Just
is
joking.
boom.
Whoa.
No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom!
Stop doing that.
Man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically boom!
Stop doing that.
All right, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom!
Oh.
Yeah,
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy Cookie Crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
Making a mess.
So I can yell at him. Don't make me get the mask.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. Did that work? All right, on to stage 4.
Hiccup.
All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
No
Isn't that
way.
dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All
Uh-oh.
right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah. Oh, he still has hiccups.
Oh
Well, he may still
no.
have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah,
No.
okay, on to stage 5.
A hole in my wall.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb, and Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he cut? What?
Did it work? Did I scare you? Oh, man.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. All right, so for stage 6, we're going to push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is going to get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not going to die. Not as long as he hits the Twister Man.
What, the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Oh, that's not real.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Okay.
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open.
What?
That's good. All right, how much I owe you?
772.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but...
How
What
stupid.
do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do? How
Guys, they're idiots. They didn't even pay.
No.
They didn't even have any money.
embarrassing.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work. That was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Idiot.
I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Boom!
Stop doing that.
All right. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here,
No.
you stupid fly!
Ah.
Come on, Daddy, it's just a fly.
Fly?
It was really scary. It tried to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? I think so. Wait, I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh no.
Pickles of it.
He has
All
hiccups.
right, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Go!
How would you scare someone if you had to? I don't even know. I just screamed to death. Guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you subscribe and turn on notifications.